How to clone app on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clone apps on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. So many Android device comes with a built-in clone feature to clone apps and use it as completely different apps. So if you don't have that feature, you want to go over to Play Store and then tap on the search icon. Simply search for app clone or something similar. Just enter the keywords and you can find dual space, clone app, and other stuff here as well. So I'll go over here to super clone and then tap on install. While this is installing, I'm going to show you another cool feature some of your phones may have. So I'll go over to settings. I'm currently using a Samsung device. If you have something similar, you can go to advanced features and it allows you to clone your messenger apps. So messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. So if you have more on the list like Line or WeChat, something similar to that, you can just tap on it, toggle the button to install a secondary app. Alright, so once your app is installed, you can just open it up and tap on app clones. Just tap on the plus icon, select any app you want to clone. So let's say I want to clone WhatsApp Business. I can tap on it, tap on OK, and then tap on start and allow all of these permissions. You'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one.